Today we're going to be installing Nashty custom rock sliders on this Can-Am X3. Tools needed: impact drill, 9/16 wrench, X-Acto knife, and a uni bit or step bit. For installation purposes, we recommend removing the seats. Take the rock slider and line it up against the car. That way you can see the factory dimples. We like to mark them, that way we know where we're going to be drilling. Take the step bit and drill an 1.5 to 2 inch in diameter hole. On the last hole, you'll notice there's a little bit of plastic, so that's going to require some additional cutting. This is where you'll go underneath the car using the X-Acto knife and cut out that little bit of plastic so you can access the hole in the frame. On the inside of the car, there's going to be some additional cutting here. On the first hole we drilled, there's also going to be some additional cutting. Here you can prep your rock sliders by placing the speed clips on. Go ahead and line up the rock sliders into the car. Fasten the bolts. Then once you have everything aligned, you can go ahead and tighten everything down. And that's the install for Nashty custom rock sliders on an X3. Here's an example of our 4-seat rock sliders. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.